So, if you want Peacock Premium without paying the full price, here's how to get it cheaper straight from your phone. And yeah, I'll even show you a site that lets you grab almost any premium subscription you want for just a couple of bucks. First, open your browser and head to the service page. On the home page, you'll see a list of platforms. Scroll until you find Peacock Premium and tap on it. Now choose the subscription duration you want. You can go monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The longer you pick, the cheaper it works out per month. Tap on your plan, then tap Buy Now. You'll be taken to the checkout screen. Enter your email address carefully because that's where your account details will be sent. Then select your payment method. You can use card, PayPal, or other supported options. Complete the payment. After that, you'll receive the login details for your Peacock account directly by email. And as promised, the site I'm using here is called Gamsco. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out. That's it. Cheap Peacock Premium in just a couple of minutes.